To say Vesta Partners is focused would be an understatement.
Laser focused. Think about it. We're a small company, but we picked one single thing to be good at, one technology to focus on, and we choose to pick those two things and be the best at those.
What does Vesta know best? Enterprise asset management. Why do you need it? Simply read the headlines.
Our customers are global companies that are facing complex business challenges. Obviously in the news for the first time really are major companies that have maintenance-related environmental issues, production issues that people are reading in the Wall Street Journal, not in industry magazines. Those are challenges that our customers need to fix. They need to fix fast.
As assets become larger and more complex, a large outage in a facility, even if there's no environmental impact, can have great financial impact on a business where they could literally lose $1 million a day with lost production. And often the root cause goes back to just the basics of good maintenance.
Maintenance procedures and controls are critical. It's about having the right data and the right strategy.
What our customers are facing is in terms of money, in terms of a shrinking workforce, in terms of having to replace assets. They have to plan exceedingly well.
Utilities, oil refineries, manufacturing plants. For every type of business, the tool set of choice is SAP, the world's largest business software company and creator of Perfect Plant.
They have a growing focus on the enterprise asset management business, as the customers that use SAP are big companies with big needs to take care of these capital assets.
And for SAP implementation, it's Vesta.
Our ability to assimilate and understand the customer's needs and focus and a methodology to bring that all together is what allows us to move forward quickly and realize the benefits of the system that much more expeditiously.
Vesta serves manufacturing and asset-intensive clients, helping them understand what SAP offers to better run their business. They're not just IT consultants, they're business people with maintenance backgrounds.
When Vesta gets involved in a project, they can really bring their understanding of asset-intensive environments to bear, along with the technology and how that technology gets built into the business process. And that's ultimately going to be critical for a company to get the greatest value in the shortest time and have something that's sustainable and can be scaled going into the future. That's a huge value to our customers.
Like U.S. Sugar, one of America's largest agricultural firms, U.S. Sugar is the country's highest producer of cane sugar and one of the country's largest orange juice producers. And it went through sweeping changes with the help of SAP and Vesta.
Reliability excellence was key to us, and Vesta's implementation of that in SAP was key. So we went to SAP directly and asked for a recommendation, and we were recommended Vesta. But we decided to really do our homework and make sure that Vesta really could do what SAP was saying they could do.
As always, the Vesta team delivered on everything and became a long-term partner.
If we can continue to work with them to make sure that we map that strategic direction.
They demonstrated that with the material availability check software that we wanted. We were struggling with that. We went to Vesta and approached them. They said, we've got this little thing that we've been working on and perhaps you can implement it. And they helped us implement that. It was very easy. It worked very nicely. So they're in it for the long haul. They want to support us and help us make the most of SAP.
We've hired the best people in the industry, invested in training the best people in the industry, and we're the best at what we do.